next location's like some steps that go down. Check them out. It's down the road from this place. Ooh, I made it. So, steps all the way down.
In the small town of Whalego, there's about 330 of these steps to climb, which date back to the mid-18th century. They make an unlikely route down to the vertical cliffs towards the sea, where the remains of a small harbour is located. This was once just one of several treacherous harbours on this short stretch of hazardous coastline. At the bottom is a platform which once housed a winch for loading the catch from the boats below or hauling the boats from the water. At its busiest, around 24 boats would have been working out of Whalego, all fishing for herring.
The water's pretty clear though. What the hell's this? Is that a well? Yeah.
At the foot of the steps, the coastal scenery is terrific, including fine cliff waterfall and many different species of birds that call these cliffs their home.
Birds on here. So you got these 3 different species all along this cliff edge. Ooh, right, I'm at another location. It's a little lock here. And there's something further down as well. I'm just having a quick look around it before I go up. It's a nice little lock, isn't it? This way, Cove gets 50 metres. That's the canals. Yeah, that's not a car. Reaching about. So I think this is the right way.
The Cair no Get is a burial site dating back from the Bronze Age. It once would have been roofed but is now open to the elements of a passage leading into an inner chamber. This whole area is rich in prehistoric remains. There are so many other cists and cairns in the area. It's amazing how places like this are still standing and have stood the test of time.
Just a little like, it's actually quite cosy. This is like 1,000 years old or more. You're here for another 1,000 years at least. wind through these trees. It's crazy. I thought it was like a river flowing or something. This is true. Still here.
Many stains consists of about 200 small stones arranged in rows running down a long hill. They were erected about 4,000 years ago, possibly for gatherings and religious ceremonies.
Stones have been here for like thousands of years. Let's see, but at least check it out. Crazy. Someone put these there so long ago.
Whatever the purpose of these stones, it's clear that they were carefully planned. Considerable time, effort and organisation must have been expended by the community who made them.